National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a flash flood warning for Calhoun County in south-central Illinois, northwestern Jefferson County in south-central Illinois, East St. Charles County in south-central Missouri, Madison County in north-central Illinois, St. Louis City in east-central Missouri, until 10:30 a.m. At 3:39 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorm producing a heavy rain across the Warren area, up to 4.8 to 1 inch are possible, between 1:19 a.m. and 2:34 a.m. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding includes Golden Eagle, Deer Plain, Campville, Blackjack, Spanish Lake, Alton, Carlisle, Belleville, St. Charles, Maryland Heights, Ferguson, Hoffman, Swansea, Mount Vernon, and Shiloh. This includes Interstate 50 in Illinois between exits 216 and 234. This also includes Babler Memorial State Park and Mastodon Historic Site. Turnaround, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.